Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a message that you have sent to someone on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then select a person that you have sent a message to, so click on it, and then select the message that you would like to delete, so click on it, and then tap on the button unsend down below in the right side corner, and you can select from two options, unsend for everyone or unsend for you, meaning that if you tap on the first one, the message will be removed from both of your conversations, so neither you or nor your partner will see that particular message. If you click on the unsend for you button, it means that you will only delete the message from your conversation, so your partner will probably still see it. So tap on the relevant one and then click on OK button. As you can see, it says you unsent a message. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.